Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by clearing the failing paint. Scrape stubborn flakes with a putty knife and lift only the loose material. You want a stable edge. Once the loose paint is gone, sand the perimeter to feather the old finish so new compound bonds. Make sure to wipe away dust, because adhesion fails on dirty surfaces. Then prime any bare patch with a stain-blocking primer. This seals and promotes adhesion. These first actions set the foundation for a durable patch. Once primed, you fill the hole or peeled area with a lightweight patching compound. Press firmly to eliminate voids and build up in thin layers rather than one thick glob. After each pass, let the material dry and then sand the area smooth so you avoid ridges. This is why patience matters. If the wall has texture, apply a final thin skim and texture match while damp. Make sure to clean the dust again so paint will lay down evenly and blend. You finish by priming the repaired spot to equalize porosity. This prevents flash or show-through. Once the primer cures, use the original paint sheen and apply thin, feathered coats. Start at the patch center and brush outward to blend. Let each coat dry fully before adding another. If you notice the patch telegraphing through, stop and reprime, then repaint. Finally, inspect for texture mismatch. If visible, lightly texture and touch up. This ensures the repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.